Okay, welcome everybody. This is a pre-release preview of a NITECORE product. I just received it today, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you. They did tell me ahead of time that it didn't even have the retail packaging yet. It's not due out for about another month or so, so you got some time to save some money. So without further ado, let's do our first unboxing. This is the Kexmo G10 that I've been doing a little testing on as well. Seeing how it works out. It's not a bad little budget knife, to be honest with you, with the D2 steel and everything, so might be something you might think about throwing in your pocket. It's not too shabby. I did throw it on the stropping paddle a little bit, hone the edge a little bit, but other than that, pretty much factory edge. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me. And like I said, they did tell me that there's not going to be any packaging, retail packaging for this. Legit YouTube video. I got the tape on the box and everything, right? Alright. Alright guys, let me go ahead and adjust the camera so you guys can get a closer look at this. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, that was just a second for you, but it was a couple minutes for me. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. This is the MT2A Pro, or if you want to be tactical about it, it's the Mic 2 Deuce Alpha Pro. Just for those tactical kids. It's a 2 AA battery flashlight. See, they usually put like some kind of travel plug in here. Yep, there it is. And it's definitely bright. I'm going to go ahead and put the lumens and all that stuff in the description so you can read through it if you want to. It also came with a lanyard and a pocket clip. Definitely like the pocket clips, helps them stop them from rolling away. Nice tight as well. Oops, I think I gotta put that. Alright guys, what do you think? This is actually my first NITECORE product, and I've got to say I'm pretty impressed. I like the tail end, how they extend it out so it guards the switch so you're not accidentally hitting it as much. Very cool. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. This is, I believe it goes up to 1000 lumens for a few minutes or something, then it kicks back. Like I said, I just took it out of the box, so I'm going to go ahead and give it some pocket time, do a proper review of it, get some real world use of it, and I'll give you guys an update. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.